How to enable Caret browsing on Google Chrome. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, I have opened this website where I want to enable Caret browsing. Now click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. In here, click on Settings. In Settings, on the left side, click on Accessibility. In Accessibility, you'll find Navigate Pages with a text cursor. Simply click on it and turn it on. After you've turned that on, simply go to the website and now click on F7 in your keyboard and it will open this page. Click on Turn On, and then after that you will be able to use Caret browsing on Google Chrome. This is how to enable Caret browsing on Google Chrome. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.